Good morning mga ka-landscape. Ayan, mayroon kaming maliit na project dito sa Las Piñas sa Pilar Village. So yan ang aming ginagawang concrete stepping stone na Kinis Traviesa. Yan palang ang aming natapos after 2 days. Mayroon siyang plant box dyan, bluegrass yan, mayroong vegetable garden. So dito landscaping yan. Parking space.
Make sure you get me right before the first light. I don't wanna miss you cause I've been here all night. Wanna make it better, or do we let it go? Wanna make it better. No, 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 no. Each day we leave it, the feeling is stronger. Now we got too much to lose. I know about your secret.
Meanwhile,
Hi, good morning. Ayan na po, tapos na yung project ko dito sa South Las Piñas. Ayan na po yung tapos na. So ayan na po yung tapos na trabaho. After 6 days na trabaho namin, natapos na din. So ganyan lang, simple. Gumawa pala kami ng step na Kinis kahoy Traviesa. So yan po, may maki dyan, African talisay. Meron kaming vegetable garden na ginawa, may puro trees, lemon, kalamansi. So yung ginamit pala naming grass, hindi siya ordinaryong grass. Yan ang ginagamit sa golf course na grass, matibay. So ayan po mga ka-landscape, thank you for watching. Bye bye.